How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Doing a study at home. Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Golna Bazaar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer. I am explain with a new chapter and revisional video. Chapter 5. So student, take out your computer book, open chapter 5 and exercise. First exercise, let's revise who I am. I let you jump to the next line. Dash. So student, I let you jump to the next line. Enter key. Spelling of enter key, enter, enter, key, key. So student, now next question, we are allow you to move in different direction. We allow you to move in different direction. Dash arrow key. Fill it now. Arrow key. Spelling of arrow key, ARROW, arrow KEY, key. So now next, pressing me adds blank space dash. Again your student, pressing me adds blank space bar. Space bar key. Spelling of space bar key, SPACEBAR space KEY, key. Space bar key. Is that clear, student? So now next, we work like eraser dash and dash. So again you are explain, we work like eraser dash and dash. So student, first that fill it now. Back space key. First dash, fill it now. Back space key. Spelling of back space, BACK, back, SPACE space KEY, key. Back space. And second dash, fill it now. Delete key. Spelling of delete key, DELETE, delete, KEY, key. Is that clear, student? So now come to the next exercise. Next point A, trick the correct answer. So student, first question, which of these eraser anything typed to the left of the cursor? So again your question, which of these eraser anything typed to the left of the cursor? Option A, enter, option B, space, and option C, back space. So students, choose the correct option C, back space. Okay, is that clear? Now next step, which of the following is not an alphabet key? Once again, which of the following is not an alphabet key? So option A, option B K, option C enter. So students, choose the correct option. Option C enter. Is that clear? Now next and third number, it eraser anything typed to the right of the cursor. So once again repeated and question, it eraser anything typed to the right of the cursor. So option A delete, option B backspace, and option C enter key. So student, choose the correct option. Option A delete. Is that clear? So student, now come to the next exercise and next point, filling the blanks. Filling the exercise B and filling the blanks. So student, look here. Someone given hint box and one words, choose the filling the blank. Is that clear, students? So first question, first number, the dash key is the longest key on the keyboard. Once again, the dash key is the longest key on the keyboard. Space bar. So student, fill it now. Space bar. Spelling of space bar, SPACEBAR. Space bar. Is that clear? So now come to the next number. The dash is a small blinking line. Again you repeated, the dash is the small blinking line. So student, dash, fill it now. Cursor. Spelling of cursor, CURSOR. Is that clear? So students, come next number, third. Next number, third. The buttons present on the keyboard are called dash. So again the buttons present on the keyboards are called keys. Spelling of key KEYS keys. Is that clear, student? So now fourth number, there are 26 dash keys on a keyboard. So students, once again repeated and question, there are 26 dash keys on a keyboard. So student fill it now. Dash alphabet. Spelling of alphabet ALPHABET. Is that clear, students? So come to the next point, C. Come to the next point, students. C. Write T for true and F for false. So student, first question, a standard keyboard has 204 keys. True or false, students? False. Is that clear? So now next, number keys are also known as numerical key. True or false? Again repeated in question. Number keys are also known as numeric keys. True or false, students? True. Is that clear, students? So next, you can type with a monitor. We can type with a monitor. True or false, students? So right answer, false. Is that clear? So now next है alphabet keys are used to type letters, words and sentence. True or false? So students, repeated and once again question. Alphabet keys are used to type letters, words and sentence. True. Now come to the next point, D. Rearrange the jumbled letters from correct words. So student, rearrange the jumbled letter to correct words. So first number, back space. First number, rearrange words, back space. Spelling of back space, BACK, back. SPACE space. Is that clear, student? Back space. So now next and second number, enter. Rearrange words, enter. In correct words, enter. ENTER, enter. Is that clear, student? So now come to the next, space bar. Correct words, space bar. SPACE space BAR bar. Is that clear? So student, now come to the next, number key. Spelling of number key, NUMBER, number KEY, key. Is that clear, student? Seminomis Computers teacher has asked her to learn the use of different types of key. Help Seminomis learn. First number, which key will use to? First, type the name of your school, alphabet key. Now second number, erase anything incorrect. BA dash dash S dash AC dash key. Back space. Okay. Type the contact number of your parents, number key. There are some keys given below. Place them in the correct key group. One is done for you. A90, enter. Alphabet key, A, Z and W. Space bar. Number key 0, 9 and 2. Special key, back space, enter and space bar. So student, look at the keyboard, count and write the number of. First number, alphabet keys dash 26. Second number keys, so student, dash 10. Okay, is that clear? So now next is space bar keys dash 1. So student, delete keys 2, enter keys 2 and backspace key 2. So student, now next chapter explain exercises chapter 6. First exercise, trick the correct answer. Which of the following is the rectangle tools? Option A, option B and option C. Option A. Is that clear student? So now second, which of the following tools help to draw a line? Option A, option B and option C. So right answer option A. Third number, it fills color in a space. Option A, option B and option C. Option A. Is that clear students? So now next second, come to the next exercise. B, filling the blanks. So students, look here, some words given and hint boxes. One words, choose the filling the blanks in fill it now. Okay, first number, you can draw and color in dash program. Pant, spelling of paint, P-A-I-N-T, pant. So student, now next, press the dash key to draw a perfect square. Swift, spelling of Swift, S-H-I-F-T, Swift. So student, now next, dash is the white space where you can draw and color. Drawing area. Okay, spelling of drawing area, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing, A-R-E-A, area. Is that clear students? So fourth number, the dash tool is used to change the thickness of line. Size, spelling of size, S-I-Z-E. Is that clear? So student, now come to the next point. C, write T for true and F for false. First number, title bar displays the name of the life. Title bar is display the name of the files. So student, true or false? True. Now next, a group contains a set of tabs. True or false? False. And third one, the Paint program is used to play games. So students, true or false? False. Fourth one, you cannot fill color in the space in MS Paint. True or false students? False. Is it clear? So come to the next point, D, filling the missing letter. So first number, the ribbon is divided into tabs and G dash O U dash dash GROUPES groups. Is clear? So now next, there are many ready-made dash H dash P dash S in MS Paint. So fill it now shapes. Is that clear? Now next, to draw a circle, press the shift key along with the over tools. Okay. Now next, to draw a perfect shape, press the S dash I dash T key. So dash fill it now SHIFT. Okay student, is that clear? Okay student, bye. Thank you and take care.